If you ever have soldered something, you know the problem with the smoke. Or it's too hot in the summer, you're happy if you have something for cooling. For this, I have a simple solution with a computer fan and a few easy parts with the 3D printer. But now, let's start to build this easy project. First step, I searched on the internet for mini tripods for 3D printing and I found at thingiverse.com amazing parts. The case I drove in Autodesk. After printing all parts, I built everything together. However, for the screws I needed to cut it to the right length. Then for the electronic part, I soldered the cables from the fan with the plug and the switch together. At the end, I glued everything to the right place. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked the video, then give me a thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss the next video, then subscribe to my channel. Stay productive and I hope I will see you in my next video.